I mean, I haven't changed the audio yet because I'm kinda lost on what to do with the audio. Are you kidding me? It actually sounds better. But then again, I guess the stream is full of burn moments given I already accidentally withheld the stream key, so I had to reset the stream key. And now I can't get back into the stream chat on the phone. Ugh, man. Oh, there. And back. So, wait, are you sure it's not echoing anymore? Yeah, but to be fair, so I'm kind of worried that might kill the CPU because this is in software rendering. Anyway, back to what I was gonna do. Record this for the video before I decided to accidentally refill the stream key, meaning I had to reset the stream key, meaning I had to make a new stream, and quick, not moving the mouse moment for editing the video. God, I love those glorious pink folders. Oh no. Kinda makes me wish that the Moebuntu gnome shell theme works in the latest gnome, to be honest. Because I've tried it in the latest gnome and it just doesn't work. Let's just put it that way. And another editing pause for silent. Another silence for editing reasons. I should go to bed. Yeah, and save. It's ironic that you say that, Silent, because guess what I'm gonna probably do next for recording? If there isn't any left, yep, there's nothing left because I've done all those except for the Feren ones. Yeah. Should I do KD or Cinnamon first? I guess Cinnamon because there's less to record. Man, I hate it when these VMs do this. Man, do I hate that. Like, I tried it on this, I forget which distribution I put on this VM, but when I was working on this, actually managed to change what was on the disk without needing to be shut down. It was poorly Fedora now I think about it. Not Gary. I'm currently pretty much just testing and recording a script. That pretty much just modifies things. Are you kidding me? Why is it now that you decide to be a complete dum-dum, Vert Manager? Oh, wait. Was that enough sound? Or does it still mess with the mic and stuff? Oh my god. Gosh dang it, Laser. Gosh dang it. But yeah, did that fix the mic issues at all? Wait, am I? Yeah, I'm still doing it. I mean, if it is potentially still happening, I can check if there's any audio stuff in here that I can maybe mess with. Gosh dang it, I missed my chance to enter the ISO I plugged in. I'm gonna have to reboot again. There we go. I mean, I can outright delete the thing using the button right here, but it'll mean that the VM doesn't play any sound anymore. No, let me just close the fouling. Get STL to shush with its notifications. So, you think I should probably disable the sound thing altogether? Because I literally can. Guess I'll just get rid of the VM sound, since we're not even having it anymore. And then force it off, because we're in a live session, so it doesn't really matter. And it's gone. And now start off again. Boop, boop. And boop. Alright, is that better? No, I've literally just yeeted the whole thing. That's a relief then. That's for sure. I guess while we're waiting for this dang thing to boot, it's like, do you wanna? It's like, do any of you wanna guess which distribution of these took the longest to install in this VM? I mean, to be fair, I've been up because I've mainly been wanting to get these recordings out of the way. No, Razor. I mean, to be fair, it's like Hannah Montana doesn't really have updated themes anymore, does it? That even work. At least with Moebuntu, it's like the themes have been designed for. It's like Ubuntu 2004, so you know they're gonna work. I mean, Silent, to do it justice though, I would have to rewrite a whole GCK theme for it in GCK 3. I'll then have to port the Plasma style from very early Plasma 4 to Plasma 5, and who knows what else. At least with Moebuntu, all I had to do was pretty much make a Plasma color scheme to complement it, and pretty much just otherwise make a script to install everything from the Moebuntu website that I could figure out installing. And also some wallpapers. My point being, Moebuntu's way easier to do in modern lyrics distributions than a Hannah Montana skinning. I mean, maybe. It depends though. In one regard I would kind of want to see his reaction, but in another regard I'm not exactly now all that is desiring to see his reaction, because it'll probably be a pervy reaction, which is the complete opposite of what I want. What? What on earth, Lisa? What on earth? Anyway, now I've... Well, yeah, well... I mean, Silent, I mainly chose Vivaldi because pretty much when I tried it, I literally fell in love with it, pretty much. To put it simply. And I also thought it was mainly a unique fit for lyrics distribution to have Vivaldi, since, well, I don't think I can name any lyrics distribution that defaults to Vivaldi. That, and also I kind of want Vivaldi to get some love in the lyrics community, and in the newcomers to lyrics community as well. Though there is something else that kinda makes Vivaldi fit a bit more in fairness. Now it's using Plasma, though it wasn't an actual intentional reason for me using Vivaldi, is that, well, Vivaldi is customizable as all heck. So it kinda ironically complements KDE in that Plasma in that regard. Also, Don Pog is pretty much basically commonly associated with the emoji from Twitch called Poggers. That being said, you probably won't be able to see the emoji itself anymore because the guy behind the Pogger's face kinda did some, let's just say, not so good things during the whole, recent American event that happened. So Twitch got rid of his emote. Man, not gonna lie. It's definitely kinda awkward trying to speak in these streams. Trying to actually come up with things to say at least. guess I could mention while we're waiting for this thing to install that, well, I guess here's the work in progress icon set we design in use. Plus a lot of placeholder icons for icons I haven't done yet. Poor Silent. Just be yourself. Oh wait, never mind, carry on. Oh no. Oh no. Gosh dang it, Silent. But yeah, suffice to say, there are a lot of placeholder icons in this icon set we designed because it's barely done so far. Oh gosh. If only EB was in the chat right now. But yeah, so far pretty much this icon, this icon, this icon, and also this icon have been changed in the redesigned icon set. Everything else is just these nice little placeholder squares which show their icon sizes. And I guess also, the zip icon is different as well. Jeez, gotta love it when Plasma decides to lag. It's fairly rarely, but still. I mean, Silent, this icon set is literally, wait, let me just open icon settings so that I can show. When it wants to load, that is. I'm actually kinda surprised now think about it that this thing is even streaming just fine. So I don't exactly blame it for being slow to load things. But yeah. This icon set is currently literally called Inspire Preview, so it's definitely gonna be Feren Moefier's icon set in the near future. As for releasing it in the wild, well, I mean, I've literally released the current Inspire icon set to the Feren Moefier GitHub, if I recall correctly. So, suffice to say, once this icon set's done, it's pretty much just going to be uploaded to the Inspire icon set GitHub repo. And the old ones kept in a separate branch on said repo. Like how I handled the whole latest Feren Moefier theme, with having the old one be available on GitHub still under a different branch. I mean, it seems, I don't know for sure, Mitchell, but it does seem like the original Moebuntu is made by a Japanese person. Though, don't quote me on that, because I haven't done any research to be sure on its origin stuff. What I do know at the very least is that it's pretty much all the official Moebuntu stuff's in Japanese. And that there's an English kind of translation for some of it. mainly the website. Oh yeah, I guess I could show something else as well, if I still have Chrome installed. Never mind, I don't have Chrome installed. Guess I'll get Chrome. Man, I kinda wish that, it's like, you could delete things from YouTube Studio on Android, not gonna lie. But like, yeah. It's like, what on earth is Bebo Razor? So I've obviously never heard of Bebo or Bebo or whatever it is. Hey, Chrome's installed. Right. I never ended up having a Patreon setup, mainly because I'm not really sure right now about the whole legal requirement in the UK about around donations. So if it didn't sound so tedious for legal requirements for things to win it for donations, so if that wasn't so tedious sounding, I probably would actually have donations by now. Also, yeah, I guess that's another thing. So, if anyone on here has seen my trailer lately, you might have known about the fact I pretty much managed to get a theme from Microsoft Edge and Chromium. Anyhow, I managed to also get it in Google Chrome using the same profile file, so I guess here it is in Google Chrome. Cause yes. Sad thing is that I've actually tried syncing it to another Chrome, but all it does if you try to sync the theme to another Chrome is that it just applies to GTK Floss theme instead. Rather than this theme from the MS Edge web store. But yeah, if anyone for some reason wants that theme in their Chrome, I could always like send the profile file that I made to make it install the theme into Chrome. It's like if to anyone that wants it. Because all it is literally just it's like custom created Chrome profile that installs that theme from the Microsoft Edge web store alongside uBlock Origin and NecoCat from the Chrome web store. Yeah, not gonna lie, I actually kinda like the way Edge looks and feels, though. It also just feels like a nice upgrade from, like, Google Chrome, but not, like, overdoing it or anything. It's usually just a subtle upgrade to Chrome in some aspects. For example, I really appreciate the fact you can actually delete files from the downloads bar in Edge. Also, hello there, Kai, and everyone else that joined the stream. We've just done installing FoneOS Classic now, so once I'm into FoneOS Classic, I'll start running the Feren Moefier script on it, so that I can show you all what happens when you run it in Cinnamon. Jeez, my voice definitely isn't used to speaking for a while. I can say that as well. But hopefully with these streams and whatnot, I can eventually get my voice used to all this. Moe, go. I mean, to be fair, Razor, it's like using Google Chrome's permanent CSS changes feature. Wait, no. It's like permanent inspect element changes feature, whatever it is. I'm fairly certain you can use that to retexture site .go to make it Moe go if you wanted to. And now I guess we wait for the boot screen, for the shutdown screen to appear. Because it doesn't seem like pressing escape is doing anything, meaning it probably isn't shutting down yet. Ugh. Man. It's suddenly annoying when VMs decide to be this slow and awkward when you're streaming, and then when you're not streaming, they work pretty much just fine. No. Suffice to say, so I'm pretty much gonna definitely make a rule set for this site for these streams in the future, but suffice to say, I definitely do not want it to be not safe for work in chat. Just getting that out of the site way now. You know what, Fika, I'm just gonna reset. Are you kidding me, Razor? Using Mo as an oh no pun. You know, like, EG was bad enough for the, like, bad puns. But also, VM, I told you to reset, not shut down. Yeah. Yay, and now you get to hear the clock that's in the sitting room. Because I can't be asked to turn off the chime that happens each hour. Anyway, now to quickly get this out of box experience out of the way, so that I can actually start ruining it. Set up and boot. And now we wait again. You know, I would probably have music for future streams. So I guess I just don't have any right now because, to be fair, this is sort of a test stream of sorts as well. Since it is technically the first stream I'm ever doing on this machine. Nice. Well, good night, Silent. Enjoy Bedfordshire. But don't worry, Silent, I know what you're referencing. And now... Right, this is the old Fairness Classic, so it still has the old theme from before the theme redesign. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. What is it with you and using Moebuntu this stream? Gosh dang it. Are you freaking kidding me? Is the Vivaldi key really changed? Has the Vivaldi key seriously changed since this artwork was made? Are you for real? I mean... people were saying they had that sort of thing, but then they said they pretty much got fixed. So I have no idea why it's happening, because if we go on OBS, there's only one mic and aux option. And in Plasma's sound management, the only one that's unmuted and selected is my USB microphone, gifted from 70 Boss. And in this one, yep. And also, if I go into settings, and then audio, all the other ones are disabled. And that's the USB microphone. I mean, Razer, I literally already did take the sound card right out of this VM. So I pretty much completely took the VM's ability to play sound out of it, even because of what Alan said earlier. Ew, right. Right. What the heck? Why is desktop audio recording the mic, seemingly? Alright, that should be better. Boy, what the heck? It's like, it seems as if it's pretty much recording the mic. Razer, this is a headset. This is literally a headset that's connected via Bluetooth and doesn't have a mic. So it's definitely not being picked up by the mic itself. Man. Alright, now we know that that's fixed. Like, geez, that kind of makes me confused then. The fact that it's like, pulse audio. It's a pain for sure sometimes. But I'm still honestly perplexed by the fact that like the desktop audio is capturing the input. Like what? I mean, yeah, but this there is no speaker playing out to the mic. What happened is that desktop audio here, if I unmute real quick to show, it has the same as it's like mic. Like it has the same pattern as the mic and aux. So it's clearly playing what comes out of the mic for some weird reason. Alas, to be fair, I am kinda new to Third Manager, so heck if I know. Not gonna lie, I kinda love the fact that I had to have a delay on the like automatic notification on login for like basically I had to make it be delayed because otherwise it would run so soon that Plasma didn't load yet, thus making it not change the background if you're in Plasma. But I unironically actually love the fact that it has a delay because of that. Because now, in the Ds that load pretty much instantly, you pretty much see the desktop looking normal, wonder what on earth's going on, and then suddenly, bam, it's Moe. And now for something else I noticed. Oh, never mind, it actually worked this time. Wow. Every single other time I tried this on Cinnamon, it would always display an error instead saying that it couldn't change the screen resolution, and then proceed to change it anyway to 1366 by 768. Anyway, I guess time to unleash the simple screen recorder yet again. Ugh. I always hated that cinnamon glitch where I had the black rectangles on virtualized. Like, wait, no, not virtualized. In software rendering, so I would have the black rectangles back then. Quick pause for editing purposes. But yeah, as you can see here, Moebuntu 2004 TCK theme. And another editing pause. Yay. But, I mean, you'll definitely be like quite the mad lad if you did that. Razor. Oh my god. Oh look! It changed the disc without needing a reboot! Look at that! We definitely need more of that out of these VMs. Nope, you are not gonna check. Skip the check. So I already know this is a legit RSO. So, Boris, you don't need to check. But I just noticed the fact that in that TTY, the flashing cursor went blur for a moment there. I mean, cheers, Oliver, but. Oh, hey. Hey, Ollie. If that's you. But yeah, for anyone wondering from earlier in the stream, here. It's like proof I literally removed the VM's ability to play sound. Well, it's definitely nice to see you guys after a while. It's been good. It's definitely been going good. That is for sure. How's all you? Actually, I want to waste this. No, yeah. I mean, Razor, to be fair, it's like if you've been in, if you were in the official FoundOS Discord, you would have seen me literally streaming to the FoundOS Discord a few, it's like rare instances during the past few weeks. Never mind being on the mic in there. Yeah, there is actually a Discord server. If you have a copy of FoundOS, you can easily get a link to it from the welcome screen. Just given time, since this machine is, it's like, surprisingly managing to cope with all of this, despite how relatively underpowered it is. So I'll definitely give this thing time to load stuff, because, yeah, it's underpowered. But yeah, once this loads, but yeah, right here. Eh, I mean, actually, wait, Info Center is probably a good place to check. Let me close that, because, yep. I mean, yeah. I mean, yeah, Sleepy. I mainly just did that so that in case we need to ever, it's like, get rid of any spammers that might try and come back. So yeah, all you have to do is just wait 10 minutes from the like second you join, and then you'll be fine, pretty much. But yeah, mm, I guess is that it's like enough specs, or does anyone want to see? It's like some of the other categories of info center for a few more specs that it shows. Actually, you know what? Never mind. I'll just show it because why the heck not? Graphics. And for anyone that's wanting to know, I'm pretty much just using software rendering for this. Because, to be frank, it's Intel. Did you really expect there to be a hardware acceleration option on Intel? Yep. In a way, definitely. It's kind of a shame that it's like all the good Nvidia laptops and the like are pretty much expensive compared to the norm. It's like for most Intel's ones. Guess I'll look for something else to do while I'm waiting for this damn thing. Oh yeah, I guess I could show like Brave, I guess, because why not? Not to actually show off the browser, more so just to show off a little design issue I found in Brave that isn't really that so annoying. It's more so just it's like you can't unsee it once you notice it. This bookmark bar, it's like for the record, this is the same Microsoft Edge exclusive theme as the one in my Chrome window. But yeah, as you can see in this, it's like Brave browser bookmarks bar. It's definitely not designed for this theme. Like, it looks completely wrong in this theme, even. And also, like, not gonna lie, I really would prefer if Brave had the option, like in Microsoft Edge, to make the Chrome themes new tab page background be an option for this new tab page. So because even Microsoft Edge allows you to do that with their new tab page. And yeah, I guess for good measure, I also have Firefox and Edge. So yay. Hello, Diverge. Diverge? Hmm, I guess however you pronounce it. Oh no. Oh yes, div. No offense, it just reminds me of HTML for some reason. Yep. I mean, it's like I'm definitely still a Fafaldi fan, like even despite what Brave has, though. But I can definitely agree that once you get rid of all the Brave Rewards BS and the whole crypto cards on the new tab page, then it can be a decent browser. Oh yeah, I guess I have Ice too, because it's in the store now. And no, I didn't use Ice to make this or like that. I used something different to Ice for those two. So, for anyone that doesn't know, Ice is basically just a program that allows you to make, like, it's basically just make generating, like, shortcuts to websites in your favorite browser, except those, when you launch those shortcuts, it opens them in a, like, new window of that browser where it doesn't have the, like, address bar or the backwards or forwards buttons. It's basically just the browser minus all its toolbars and tab bars. To pretty much just give you the illusion it's like a normal application. I guess that's how you can describe it. Yay, it's done. And now I kinda need the transcripts because no, because you can literally just make, so anyway, let me just launch Ice real quick to show something. There's literally a Chrome option. You can literally just make SSBs use Google Chrome as the browser. And I guess to also, like, you'll see tiled menu, but simple menu's gonna be retired in the Plasma 5.21 update in fairness. Because, well, if you don't know already, in Plasma 5.21 there's a new kickoff redesign. Kickoff being the default Plasma launcher that everything else, including regular old like Plasma users. So, and fourth, I plan to make an edit of said redesign menu to basically make it look like a combination of the new design and a lot of design aspects from simple menu. All in all, it's like I'm basically gonna edit that new kickoff menu and replace simple menu with it in fairness. The only part that sounds not so fun will definitely be, well, changing users' menus to the new menu. Because let's just say Plasma doesn't make it that easy to change panel stuff at all. Like, heck, like, there's a similar problem with the color schemes in Plasma, too. In regard that's like, to change the current color schemes users have in KG Plasma, You'll pretty much have to make an API to change the colors over automatically. And since Plasma 5.21 now has a new default color scheme, KD is gonna have to figure out a way to make to pretty much change the user's color scheme over to that new color scheme if they use Breeze, also known as the default theme of KDE Plasma. So yeah, suffice to say, there's a similar sort of situation with the panels, because, yeah, they both don't have an easily changeable setting structure. Anyway, I'm just reading through this transcript that I made for said video so that I know what I have to do recording wise to make sure that I get everything in this single FNOS install. Thus meaning I don't have to reinstall FNOS again after I do this to get the whole FNOS video content from this. Cheers, Div. But yeah, you said you want to be called Div, right? So, cheers, Div. Yep. So that one's definitely gonna have to be from before I modify it. Yep. Guess there's only one thing I have to record pre-modification then. Oh boy, this is gonna be awkward because I have to figure out a way to make sure K-Screen doesn't want to stall up. Unless... I have an idea. Config auto start. Put that in the background for now, because I'm gonna need it later. Install Git, because I need it to retrieve the script. Now then, time to get the script. And now for keyboard ASMR. But first, let me just quickly... So yeah, the problem with that is that there's a plasma bug which causes it to go back, so I need to yeet K-screen, because that's the thing that causes the issue. And now, it'll stick. And now, I guess, boy video. And, yep. And now, I just have to wait, and once it's got to the part where it adds an auto start to make it automatically modify in the next login, I just have to remove the auto basic modification bit. So that way I can kill K-screen again and then manually initiate it for the video content. Geez, doesn't help that it's like for some reason my tongue feels a little bit painful as if I accidentally bit it. Bam. Easy. And now, I guess to wait for the reboot to occur. I guess I'll also mention a fun fact about like this whole video I'm working on, like which I'm taking the time during this stream to get content for. And that is, I actually had all these like screen recordings ready, it's like for the video, but then I decided that since each recording had a different wallpaper from the pack, I kind of realized that maybe that wouldn't exactly be the best of ideas for, it's like, the fact that it would be impossible probably to credit most of the art used. It's like, and therefore shown in said announcement video, so I just decided, it's like, instead to replace them with recordings which all use the Moebuntu default wallpaper. And thus, I'm here now making all these recordings, but I use the default Moebuntu wallpaper. Oh yes. And there you just saw one of the issues I've definitely seen in third measure, being that the Plymouth theme sometimes glitches up like that. Meaning you have to, say, kill Plymouth by hitting escape, and then restart it by hitting escape again to make it actually show up. Now then, to do the exact same thing as before I rebooted, Kill K-Screen. Launch the terminal. Set the screen resolution to that. And now get simp recorder. I'm sorry, I had to. So pathetic. And now, do we just have to wait for the delay to be finished? Oh, it's happening. Yeah. There we go. And now I guess I can kill two birds with one stone with this recording. Oh yeah, I guess here's something I have noticed. It's like, I just noticed this last recording session in Feren but it's like for some reason it doesn't change the GTK theme to the Moe one. Despite the fact that I literally told this global theme that it uses to do so. So instead it's just using Fairnoess's TCK theme but with the Moe color scheme. So that's fun, I guess. I mean, Mitchell, this is just basically the amount of pink you see in Moebuntu. I honestly have no idea, to be honest. Or Mo idea. Hello, metal music. Welcome to hell. Just kidding. I mean, now think about it. It's like hell might actually be a good description for this. And there it is, the Moe theme. But yeah, for some reason I have to go into here manually to change it. Ugh, man. Alright, good night, sleepy eyes, Vince. I'm probably definitely gonna go to bed once I'm done with all this recording, that is for sure. I mean, do you mean like the work here or actual work on Phone OS? So yeah, there's that's what it's supposed to look like when it actually sets the GCK theme. Yep, I think that's a good screenshot. Well, I guess cheers either way. The thinking over before. Right, I put this because before the Moebuntu 2004 release, this title bar wasn't pink before then. It's like this title bar used to be more so this toolbar color instead of this complete pink. But ever since Moebuntu moved to using a Yarrow-based GCK theme in 2004, yeah, it's been pink. Alright, yep, done that. Done that. Done that. Done that. And I guess that means there is one more recording. But yeah. Right, the wallpapers. Just gonna say this way off the bat though. It's like this isn't all of the wallpapers in the pack. Because there's three extra ones if you enable the spoiler wallpaper section. It's like if you enable the spoiler wallpapers site option when modifying, you get three more wallpapers. But I'm not a dick, so I disabled that option for the stream. And also because I don't want to be a dick in the actual video and show some actual anime spoilers. Wait, shoot, one. But yeah, if you have the spoiler wallpapers option turned on when you do this yourself, you will have three extra wallpapers in this selection. Boop. Alright, finally, I'm pretty sure that means that I've finally done it now. Yeah. Right. I guess it's a bit of a bonus. So for you guys, I guess I'll like record the extra segment footage. But first, turn off this VM. Now we don't need it. And now I guess I need to obtain You Are an Idiot. I mean, Mitchell, did you not expect Rika Takanashi in my site wallpaper selection? Did you really not expect her to be in there? Despite the fact I legit have so pretty much all of Chunibu in my anime list completed section, minus the mini dramas. So get upload my username and you are an idiot pie GCK3. Alright. Just to make sure people realize this, epilepsy warning. The screen, the stream is about to go really, really flashy. I misspelled. Mistyped, I mean. Right. In 10 seconds, the stream is about to have flashing colours. A lot of flashing colours. So if you are beware. It's beautiful. Right. Time to move the completely failing OGT playback. Because that was actually getting annoying. But yeah. Good luck closing it. Because just like the original, closing it spawns more. I love how well this ported over. Not gonna lie. Like legit though. I actually genuinely love how well this ported over. And yep. Since I launched it from a terminal, I can just kill it. By Control C. No, suppose how do I even edit this to get rid of the other frames of animation? I suppose Krita maybe might have an animation editor. I suppose. But yeah. I guess to also mention what You're an Idiot plays though, since you guys obviously don't have the sound playback that I do because of OBS kinda makes it play the mic instead for some reason. So to put it simply, if you know what you'reanidiot.org sounds like, you know what this sounds like. It's literally just the same, it's you are an idiot, ha 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 ha. It's theme, but in this. Oh yeah, I guess I didn't launch Edge after making the custom profile I gave Chrome. Cool. Content visible on scroll and off. And yep, as you can see, my custom profile for Chromium-based browsers automatically installs that, and this. And you know what's actually kind of funny though? These two are from the Chrome Web Store, not the Edge Web Store. And just to make it even more funny, that's the that's the facts of the matter, is that this is still off. I actually kind of wonder, what happens if suppose I go here and give it a bait and switch? So n.gif and oh, it actually works. Nice. I suppose that sorts that out then. So now, hopefully. Yay! Single frame. Now I can record it without making people be nearly as susceptible to epileptic seizures. I mean, Div, that's something I'm about to record next. Is the ability for it to use any GIF you want by just simply replacing the GIF in it. Because literally, this an.gif, you can replace it with any GIF you want, and it'll use that GIF that you replace it with. And the window even sizes itself for that GIF, I'm pretty sure. Just to seal the deal even more. What did I want to do? Oh yeah, I wanted to on it. Oh yes, I want to execute this. Look at that majestic boy just dancing around the screen. Boop. Look at them majestic boys. And the best part is, since this is Karen, I can just easily like use other things while that's going on. And finally, terminate the original. Oop, and it's gone. Wait, wrong one. Actually, yeah, never mind. I need to re-record that because I completely forgot about the transcript there. It doesn't even try and prevent it from taking focus every single moment, so it's literally unusable. So when you have a film nearly every single moment, even of it's like of like this computer existing, there's a you're an idiot window taking focus. It's like from whatever you were doing. Wait. Hmm. But yeah. It's like whatever you do not want this it's like port in cinnamon. Because when I checked it in cinnamon, it literally every single moment basically took focus for itself from whatever window you were on, thus making the OS literally unusable while it's running. It's technically it's a virus, because it doesn't do any harm. It's just an annoyance. If I was to call it a virus, I'd probably just call it a bad joke, because I guess people call bad jokes viruses technically for some reason. Despite the fact that later name says they're just a really, really annoying joke program that does nothing to your system apart from annoy you. And in the case of the last one, for which honestly is really funny. A unique one. Look at him majestically go around from side to side of the screen. Look at it. Look at all that majesticness. Hello, Labour. You missed out on all the weeb stuff. We're now on to my You Are an Idiot Psychon official port to Pieties K3. Because I was bored, I guess. Alright then, now that that recording's out of the way, time to check what the other part of the transcript was again, because I forgot. Oh yeah, in cinnamon. I guess I could quickly spin up a VM just to show what happens when you want in cinnamon. That being said, I won't be surprised if it just dies in a live session. But alas, I guess let's try this anyway. It's like, Lima, honest question though, have you ever heard of and seen the blast button joke program though? Oh my gosh, Lima, you're missing out on quality joke program content. Basically, it's a really, 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 really old joke program for Windows where once you want it, when you want it, it seems like nothing has changed. But the moment you click on anything, mainly buttons in applications and the taskbar, they explode. I'm not kidding, they literally just explode when you click them. Even the start button and the system tray and whatnot in the taskbar explode when you click them. It's honestly one of the best joke programs because the fact that everything explodes. And what makes it even better though is that you can even use it in Windows 10 as long as it's not a universal Windows program. Because basically nearly everything in Windows 10 still explodes if you use that program. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. In a way, that kind of reminds me of Magister, is it? It's like where it moves the desktop icons window away from your mouse. Wait, no, not the desktop icons window itself, the desktop icons themselves. It's like one away from your mouse when its payload is in effect. Though I did see someone for, it's like Danox 1's Pure Made Malware series take that said payload and instead of making it so the desktop icons run away, it's the actual windows that run away from your mouse instead. Which ironically includes the desktop icons layer of the desktop. See ya, Mitchell. Though, if you're wondering, it's like what I'm referring to, it's like watch Danox 1's video of the Seeker virus. Because that's the one where it has the, it's like the version of the Magister payload where instead of desktop icons running away, it's the windows that run away from your mouse. So, oh yeah. Oh gosh, I love you. So just to show, it's like just how unusable it gets. Just launch a few things if I want it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why you don't. This is why you make sure your window managers have focused in section. Once they understand, if it even lets me click outside of it. Guess I'm gonna have to do a bit of tutorial this time. To say, if you try to do anything, it's just gonna keep stealing focus away from that window. Eventually. It's now not doing it after doing it a few moments ago. That's what I mean. It's like constantly steals focus away. If it's not tablet, I guess. Like, look at that. I'm not clicking on it. It's just taking focus. Every time I try to do something. And it gets even worse when you spawn more of them. Because now, good luck running anything. Good luck using your operating system. No. They're constantly taking focus away. It's a good thing that it can't take focus away from this. Oh, it actually does. It's just that this thing's always on top. Never mind. Good luck using your operating system. So just good luck using your operating system, dude. Once this is running. Look, I literally just lost system settings and they're already above it. Even. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, like I already said, this is why you have your window managers have good focus stealing prevention. Otherwise, this happens. Oh my god. Oh jeez. The fact that it's so unusable. No, because of this. Just makes it even better. Look! Hypnotics is behind all these windows now. Not even Hypnotics is safe. It's like Joel from Fine Source, eat your heart out with this. It's like kind of situation. Oh yeah, there is something else I guess I could show that's kind of funny. Especially funny for anyone that knows the Internet Explorer 6 crash effect. So I'm just gonna wait, never mind. I need to see the introductory first. I'm just gonna launch this boy, close it a few times, and then Alt F2, kill the window manager. Yeah. That's what happens when you kill the window manager. They go full Windows XP on you. I don't know why this happens, it just does, but it's also really funny that this does when there's no window manager. The fact that they just go full on Windows XP mode when you do that just makes it even better. Like, I was honestly expecting it to just, like, when I did that, well, you know, just be the windows moving around like that, like, so you're an issue window that looks having this full Windows XP, like, look. How are they taking focus without window manager, even warning? What? Like, they're all above this menu. How? Anyway, guess I gotta reset that now and do it all over again because, well, I forgot to record it. Like a dom-dom. Alright, let me just yeet that desktop icon because we won't need it for this thing. Wait, get clone https github.com/me/you wanna hear gck pi gck3. Alright, now then. Oh yeah, here we are. This is what would happen. It's like every time I tried to change the screen resolution, this little error dialog here would pop up instead of the "Would you like to keep your resolution?" question. Every single time I tried this, apart from the time it worked in the stream earlier, that would happen every time. Otherwise. Multimedia, simple screen record. Nemo, I told you to open. Yay. Yay, no expense. Butchered Firefox. Joy. Boop. And boop. And now. And bam. Dead. Not big surprise. See you later. You are dead. Not a big surprise. What gift should I even give this to replace the normal gift with? Screen. Come on, please. Please KD connect. It literally just use KD connect to send the GIF over and it just opens it in Vivaldi. Really? I guess it's better, I suppose. Do 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 do. Yeah, notifications. Dang it. This is why I didn't want to open Vivaldi. Now there's loads of notifications. And no, now gone. Oh geez, how big is this even gonna be? Anyway, now to make a nightmare fuel. I hope this not. Seriously, plasma. And I think that yeah. In case you so yeah. I think that pretty much actually covers all the things now. Wait, good. I just realized I forgot one thing. SDDM. I need an SDDM screenshot. Dang it. On the plus side, I can literally just easily boot into Fairness, install SDDM, and get it, but yeah. So I guess it's time to do that. Yeah. Alright, on to the final thing. SDDM modification. And then I'm pretty sure I have everything assembled for the video. Minus the subtitles and whatnot overlays from last video. So, that being said, time to boot into this monstrosity again. Install SDDM and then rerun the script. Good. There we go. Switch that over to SDDM. And then finally rerun the command for modification. Not gonna lie, in a way I am kinda proud of like how far this joke has come. Or should I say I'm really happy with how far this joke has come. Duh. But yeah. Basically all I've been doing this stream, Kai, is pretty much making all the recordings that I haven't made yet that are required for the video I'm working on doing. I just thought I might as well stream the modification section of the video recording that I might as well also record the You're an Idiot portion live as well. So yeah. Oh yeah. I guess for anyone who's still watching at this point, little fun fact. Legend says that if you have a GIMP installed when you run the script, something special happens to GIMP. If you've looked around the Moebuntu site, however, you'll definitely know what happens to GIMP if it's installed when you run the script. I think maybe put that on the back burner for now and so I can do a few more things. So once I got a few more things out of the way, I'll definitely look into making this team. There's a few more things that are mainly just like establishing the design, also pretty much just a few things like homeschooling and so on. But yeah, aside from those, I was definitely looking forward to seeing hopefully. Yeah, just yeah, now there's no noise suppression. There, is that better? I literally just got rid of the noise suppression filter, so hopefully that doesn't make it sound worse. So yeah, I guess here's what the Breeze SDDM theme looks like under this influence. As you can see, the background is now the like Moebuntu one as well. And of course, if I wait long enough without doing anything, I mean, that isn't surprising. I'm literally streaming with software encoding while also running a VM that has a few large site specs to it, if I recall correctly. There we go. The background itself in all its glory. Well, lass, time to shut this down. But yeah. Oh no. Maximum allocation 2 CPUs there's only 2 left for the host to use. And yeah, about 8 gigs of memory, and this site VMs take 2 of it. But yeah, I guess it's like now I shut that down. I guess it's now time to shut down the stream itself because I'm done here. So I guess cheers all of you that have come here for this technically test stream, I suppose. And I definitely hope to do more streams like this in the future, that is for sure. That is definitely for sure. Let me check something actually before I do go. Does that still overmodulate? Nope. It doesn't enter overmodulating territory now. That's good. Does that affect anyone's ability to hear my voice? About the team, pretty much there's still a few things I want to get out of the way solo before I do that. Just to put things frankly. Good. I was just wanting to make sure you could all still hear me. Just fine. Also, I guess, since it's like necessary for a streamer to do this once in their career. Total time! Oh yes. Got a lot of the classical tonal effects. Anyway, so that aside. So, cheers for being here, everyone. That was definitely a good stream. I gotta go to bed though now, so ciao.